guys, I'm Shweta. I'm a mom and lifestyle influencer. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'll be showing you a product which is very helpful for parents and for babies too. Babies want mother's arm comfort all the time, which is really not possible for moms. So, to help all the new moms, I got a product which I'll be sharing today, and that is Infantso's Automatic Baby Rocker and Swing. So without any further delay, let's check out the product. Let's start the unboxing. Inside the box, we receive all the spare parts, and it's very easy and hassle-free to assemble. Just need a few minutes on the assembly. The modern design and sleek look makes it a perfect choice, and the fabric of the cushion is very soft and perfect for your baby's delicate skin. It comes with two hanging toys which are ISI certified and a mosquito net which protects your baby from all the mosquitoes and flies. Now let's check out the feature that makes this rocker stand out. It comes with multiple speed settings, and you can find a perfect rhyme to soothe your baby. It plays a lot of soothing lullabies to calm your baby. And the mosquito net is a great addition, especially for keeping insects away while your baby rests peacefully. You can control the swing speed, music, and timer to 15, 30, or 60 minutes from a distance with the help of the remote, and that makes it super convenient. The soft, secure, and comfortable cushion seat has a safety harness to keep your baby snug and safe. Hello, now it's testing time. Let's see how my baby reacts to it. Simply keep your baby inside and just put on the safety harness so that they don't slip out of the swing. She looks super comfortable, and the rocking motion is smooth and calming. The toys are grabbing her attention, and the built-in music is just keeping her relaxed. So parents, this means hands-free time to get things done while your baby stays entertained and comfortable. It can be operated with 4 AA batteries, or you can use the power adapter which comes along with it. So the Infantso Automatic Baby Rocker cum Swing is worth it. It's lightweight, easy to use, and packed with features to keep your baby happy and safe. So parents, what are you waiting for? Grab one for your little one now.